Hey car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we dive deep into the world of high-performance machines. Today we're taking a closer look at what could be one of the most exciting swan songs in automotive history, the 2026 BMW M8. This is not just another luxury sports car, it's a masterpiece that blends power, elegance, and cutting-edge technology. So, buckle up, because we're about to explore everything this beast has to offer. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. This might be the last hurrah for some versions of the M8 lineup. While the standard 8 Series Coupe and Grand Coupe will continue into 2026, rumors suggest that the M8 Coupe may be phased out entirely. However, don't worry too much. The M8 Grand Coupe and Convertible are still very much alive and kicking. So why does this matter? Well, if you're someone who appreciates exclusivity and legacy, the 2026 M8 represents the pinnacle of BMW's grand touring philosophy before potential electrification takes over. It's like owning a piece of automotive history. Visually, the 2026 M8 won't stray far from its iconic roots. BMW isn't reinventing the wheel here, it's perfecting it. Expect subtle refinements rather than drastic changes. Think redesigned kidney grills that are slightly more understated but no less bold, updated adaptive LED or laser headlights for better visibility, and sharper taillights that enhance its muscular stance. And let's not forget those signature quad exhausts. They're not just there for show. They deliver a soundtrack so intoxicating, you'll want to keep the windows down even in winter. But enough about looks. Let's talk about what really matters: performance. Under the hood lies a monstrous 4.4-liter twin turbocharged V8 engine. Depending on the trim, output is expected to range between 617 HP and 658 HP. That's enough juice to rocket the M8 from 0 to 60 mph in under 3.2 seconds. And thanks to BMW's intelligent xDrive all-wheel drive system paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, power delivery is as smooth as it is relentless. Whether you're carving corners on a mountain road or cruising down the highway, the M8 strikes the perfect balance between agility and comfort. Step inside and you're greeted by a cabin that screams sophistication. Premium materials like Nappa leather and Alcantara wrap nearly every surface, while ambient lighting sets the mood for any occasion. The real star of the interior, though, is the new iDrive 9 system. It's faster, smarter, and more intuitive than ever before, offering seamless connectivity and advanced driver assistance features. From wireless Apple CarPlay to augmented reality navigation, the tech inside the 2026 M8 ensures you're always ahead of the curve. Now, all this luxury and performance doesn't come cheap. Prices for the 2026 BMW M8 are expected to start around $140,000. But depending on how you spec it out, with options like carbon fiber packages, upgraded audio systems, or unique paint finishes, you can easily push that number well beyond $150K. But hey, when you're dealing with a car like this, you're not just buying transportation, you're investing in an experience. And given that some variants may be discontinued after 2026, this could also be your last chance to own a true M8. In conclusion, the 2026 BMW M8 isn't just another iteration of a legendary nameplate. It's a celebration of everything that makes BMW great. From its jaw-dropping design and blistering performance to its state-of-the-art tech and unparalleled craftsmanship, this car embodies the spirit of modern grand touring. So whether you're a die-hard Bimmer fan or simply someone who appreciates engineering excellence, the 2026 M8 deserves your attention. Who knows? Maybe it'll inspire you to take the plunge and make it yours before it's gone forever. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next episode. Until then, stay fast and drive safe.